These are the GST-90BE and the GST-90E Professional, the reliable tools for day-to-day use. The powerful 650-watt motor provides fast work progress and high power reserves. Additional cut precision is provided by the improved saw blade clamping system, combined with our extra clean for hardwood jigsaw blades. This saves you finishing work. You can change the saw blade quickly and easily without any additional tools. The exemplary smooth running of both saws helps ensure optimum results and low fatigue working, even in hard materials such as 8mm aluminium, beechwood or kitchen worktops. Experience for yourself the GST-90BE and the GST-90E Professional, top-class convenience in the entry-level class.